Do you want to start a YouTube channel but seems like making video is overwhelming to you? Should you show your face or not show your face? The crucial question is, what is the right channel style matches with your personalities? Hey everyone, this is Biba. I am a content creator just like you, got my experience from trial and errors from my client. I know creating YouTube channel can be overwhelming and challenging, so I'm excited to help you in the first and the most essential step of starting YouTube channel by finding the perfect YouTube channel style for you. Before taking the quiz to figure out your personality type, let me explain a few things. Why this is so important to define your YouTube channel style in early stage of planning YouTube. Have you ever asked yourself which channel is good for you based on your personality? Are you going to make a niche channel, cash cow YouTube channel, like list channel, whatever the channels that you don't show your face, don't depend on you, completely on you, or you will do a personal channel? How your personality will affect your productivity in growing your YouTube channel? Because according to each YouTube channel types, whether it is niche channel that you don't show your face or your personal channel that you show your face, which YouTube type will make you most of money, whether enrolling in YouTube partner program in fast or preparing your channel to earn from day one. Okay, this is so important because this crucial point in the planning phase must be determined if you are going to start YouTube channel journey, because each channel has its own sales funnel to which you will direct your audience to make the profit you want from early stage. If you are making a personal channel and you are going to make your face, it will be more easy for certain product to promote certain product. And if you make cash cow channel, it also has its own products that will make the sales funnel is more profitable. In this channel, I will help you to organize your channel, to make your channel profitable from early stages by understanding your audience, which sales funnel will make you the most money, because personal channel has its own sales funnel and the cash cow channel, if you are not going to show your face, has its own sales. Which type of your personality do you have? Let's find out in this simple question. Please grab a pen and paper and try to answer this question with me to find out or determine which direction your personality is going to. Are you introvert or are you extrovert according to YouTube channel community and what is needed by YouTube? The first questions: do you gain power by talking to people? How much do you love talking? If you are going to make your own channel, how much do you love talking? I don't gain power by talking to people, so then you are introvert. Or if you are gaining power by talking to people, you are extrovert. The second question: do you like Instagram? Okay, do you like the Instagram posts? Do you like Instagram stories? Do you connect with everyone on Instagram? Do you make dancing? Do you make whatever story do you like? Do you use Instagram stories on continuous basis? Do you love not just scrolling, okay, not just scrolling, but making stories, making posts, sharing your life activities? If yes, then you are extrovert. If no, then you are introvert. The next question is: do you love going out or traveling, or you love to sit at home and drink your coffee and don't go out, don't connect? So if you love outside activity like going out, walking, riding bicycles, whatever, then you are extrovert. Yes or no? If yes, then you are extrovert. If no, you are introvert. So let's move on to the next question. To refresh yourself, what is your favorite act? Like sitting at home, reading a book, grab a cup of coffee, then you are introvert. If you like more to refresh yourself, connecting with others, then you are extrovert. I hope you like this video so far. If so, please support us with like and smash the subscribe button to be the first one to get updated about our new videos, which will help you to create a successful YouTube channel by discussing topic no one ever talked about. Let's move on. Remember, everyone is introvert and extrovert to some extent, but the dominant big personality triad is the character that will determine your final personality. Figuring out your person will not just make creating YouTube videos easier, but also will increase your productivity to keep your persistence and consistency for long term, as YouTube business requires a lot of hard work. The secret of success in YouTube is building and improving your skills to create valuable content, and by continuing making videos on a fixed schedule, no matter what. Will be your goal and plan for in the first year of your content planning to keep your consistency and persistence. My goal here to help you to make this hard work is not against your nature, but in harmony with your personality as possible. Let's find out an examples of personal YouTube channel. In this type of a channel, as you can see, you will show your face, talk a lot to explain the knowledge you have or the experience you are testing of the topic you are interested in. This type of channel may requires activities indoors, such as these channels. You like sitting in front of camera and recording yourself every single day, showing your activity you love to do, or outdoors activities such as this YouTube channel, like experimenting a lot of things or doing activities, talking to a lot of other people. This type of channels, so whether this channel or indoors in front of camera or outdoors channels, these types of channels mainly depend on you, as you are the main face of this channel. You are building a close relationship with your audience. By time goes on, your audience, the value you have experienced and share with them. Personal YouTube channel, such as this type of channels, requires extrovert who has no problem showing his face, no problem sitting in front of camera, loves to talk a lot and sharing his thoughts, his opinion, his experience. If you see this from the old data, you will see how improving their video becomes. How improved the videos you are producing. Just regular videos, they are trying, they are practicing, to improve their video, the quality of their content. As you can see, this is all the videos from 14 years ago, and they keep doing videos, they keep producing videos until they have 1 million subscribers. And you can see they're earning from just only YouTube partner program. This is the maximum earning per month. The second type of YouTube channel is niche channel. What is niche channel? If you are not familiar with this type of a channel, it's like a channel is basically a YouTube that's focused on a specific topic, like this channel. This channel focusing on motivational channel, many stories. Or this channel is focusing on cryptocurrency. Another channel is like this channel. This is growing from sub-niche to broader niches. If you see from their first video, they talked about NFTs, although this channel is about cryptocurrency. So this is from focusing on sub-niche and go broader to broader niche, cryptocurrency, altcoins, more niche. It added more niches to their channels, because when you're adding more sub-niches to your channel, you are broadening your audience. You adding more audience segment to your channel. As you can see now, it is a channel does not require showing your face. This is one of their video. As you can see here, the channel owner does not show his face, so your audience and the relation is built with the topic. The relation is built with the content, the value content, not with the person. And also this channel is not showing his face, he's just imaging, using images and auto generation text. It's like software like Pictory. The link in the description. It's recently uploaded and it's generating a lot of views. So the audience is connecting mainly with the topic. Why should you start a niche channels? The benefit of niche channels, as as you can see, it's for introvert. You don't like to talk. You can take a break and outsource a few of the steps, have more flexibility if you said. As in fact, this is a huge step in starting YouTube channel. No one is focusing on it, because to continue producing videos like this channel, and it's earning, as you can see, $9,000 per month. The trick here to continue producing videos for a long time, to choose the right type that matches your personality. If you don't plan correctly, you may quit early because you are doing a huge effort against your nature. But how about doing this huge effort in a harmony with your nature? By now, you have decided which YouTube channel is the best for you. Personal YouTube channel if you are extrovert, or niche channel if you are introvert. The next questions you have to ask yourself now to start a YouTube channel: how to find profitable idea. Check out this video